Means of transport. There are several modes of transport available to us. On the road, we can travel by bullock carts, bicycles, cars, buses, and in other ways. We can also travel on land by trains. We can travel on water by boats or ships. We can travel by air using planes and helicopters. The four modes of travel available to us are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Roadways. Roadways are the most common mode of transport. India has a large network of roads. Important cities are connected to each other by national highways. Other highways connect smaller cities, towns, and even villages. Roads help us to move around within cities and towns. Many villages still have kacha roads. Roads are the most convenient mode of transport to move people and goods. They can be built anywhere. For example, on high mountains. Roadways help people and goods to be taken right up to the doorstep. You can reach right up to your home by road. Goods can be taken right up to a market or factory. The Indian government is taking steps to improve the highways in our country using modern methods of construction. This is necessary for fast movement of goods and people. Railways. The first railway line in India was built in 1853 from Mumbai to Theni. Since then, the railway network in India has expanded to become the fourth largest in the world and the largest in Asia. It connects almost all cities and towns. Today, trains carry millions of people and tons of goods every day throughout the country. Trains are cheaper, more comfortable, and faster than road transport. Some superfast trains, such as the Rajdhani Express and the Shatabdi Express, travel at over 100 kilometers an hour. In Chennai, Mumbai, and Kolkata, trains are important means of transport for people to go to work. In Chennai, a type of railway system called the Mass Rapid Transit System is in use. This is very convenient and fast means of transport for the people. In Kolkata and Delhi, the underground railway called the metro is very fast and convenient. Airways. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport, but the most expensive. The journey from Chennai to New Delhi takes just over 2 hours. It takes more than 36 hours by train. A large number of cities in India are connected by air. Aeroplanes can fly over any landform, over high mountains or vast deserts. They are used to transport mail, perishable food items such as fresh fruits and vegetables, and other goods quickly to far-off places. Air transport is very useful during times of natural calamities such as floods, earthquakes, and famines, or when there is a war. Helicopters are very useful in these situations. They can land where aeroplanes cannot. They are used to transport food, medicines, and other items in these situations. Indian Airlines, Jet Airways, and Sahara Airlines are some important airlines operating within India. Air India operates between India and other countries. Waterways. India has many rivers. Boats and steamers are used as means of transport on the rivers. Large ships take people and goods from one port to another overseas. Mumbai is the largest seaport in India. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. It is also very convenient to transport bulky goods such as coal, iron ore, timber, etc. Large quantities of goods are exported to other countries from our ports.